Here is how to make money with Canva. In the last 30 days, I have managed to make over $1,400 in sales using Canva. And in this video today, I will show you how you also can start making money with Canva. What's up guys? My name is Greg Kononenko, also known as the Caffeinated blogger. And on this channel, I teach how to make passive income online. So if you like videos on these topics, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel just below this video. Now let's get into it. So yeah guys, today I want to show you a really cool way to make money with Canva templates. Canva is a 100% free service, so you can go to canva.com or click the link in the description below and just sign up to Canva. Once you are inside Canva, you will notice that here at the top there is something called templates, and Canva has got hundreds, probably even thousands of various templates that it comes built in with. So it's got templates, for example, for people to create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, for YouTube intros, for various types of videos and so on. And that means that even if you're not a designer, even if you are completely horrible at everything related to design, as I am, you can just go into templates and then click, for example, on YouTube intros, and you can use these built-in Canva templates. Like see this one here, this is a free template. So you can just click on it and customize this template, and it will open up this design screen in Canva, and you can just click on everything here. And for example, I can change this to be Caffeinated blogger, okay, instead of what is the default setting. And this is an animated template, right? So if you click this now, you can see that this is fully animated, and this is a YouTube intro template. Look at this. All of this stuff is editable, and guess what? People will pay you money for this template. Okay, you can sell this template. I'm going to show you in a second how. But just like this, in 2 clicks, you can create an awesome template using built-in Canva templates, and you can sell them for really good money online. And there is huge demand for these templates, guys. It's a really amazing and very exciting opportunity. Okay, so now we've got this YouTube intro template, and just to show you how much demand there is for YouTube intro templates, or for any type of templates really, is to go into any online marketplace. One example that I'm going to show you in this video is Etsy. For example, here, if on Etsy you start typing in YouTube, look at the suggestions. See, one of the suggestions, YouTube intro. So I'll continue typing in YouTube intro, and look at this, YouTube intro template. Okay, if I click this, you will see all of the results for the different listings on Etsy for YouTube intro templates. So the first row are all ads, but just underneath, so this row under here, these are all YouTube intro templates that are being sold through organic search results on Etsy. So nobody's paying for these listings. This is all 100% free traffic. So you will notice that there are also a number of stars. See here, 118. 118. This is the number of pieces of feedback that each store has got. And look at this, YouTube branding kit. Okay, so there have been a huge number of sales of this YouTube branding kit product, and this is just a digital downloadable product. Then look at this one over here, 428 pieces of feedback, editable YouTube branding kit. So if we open this up, you will see that this seller has basically created a few different templates in Canva, and they're selling this template pack. Here is another listing, YouTube channel kit. It says editable animated YouTube intro and outro. So as you can see, there are a lot of listings here on Etsy selling this item, and many of them have got many stars and many reviews. So if we open this one up, again, you can see that it's a very simple YouTube channel kit. There is one YouTube intro, one YouTube outro, and one banner. Okay, so nothing complicated here at all. So this is this intro that she's created. Look at this. Okay, so this is the intro that she has created, and it comes in 2 colors. This is color 1, color 2. Then this is the end screen. So this is what comes out at the end of YouTube videos. So YouTubers can use this and so on. You can read the full description. You can look at all of the listings. The point that I'm trying to make is that if you go down here and you sort these reviews by newest, you can see how many of this template is selling. Look how many reviews there are for this template. 24th of February, 26th of January. So these are the reviews for this template. 11th of February, there is another review for this template. There is another one here, custom animated YouTube intro outro in February. And guys, you can create templates like this in Canva very, very easily. So let's just take a quick look at how much revenue this template pack might be making. So I've put together a very simple spreadsheet here. And if you count this number of reviews in the last month, for this listing, okay, I've counted 7 on this listing, so we can see that there's been 7 reviews in the past month. Now, the percentage of buyers who generally leave a review on Etsy is somewhere between 5 to 10%. So trying to be conservative, I'll just say that about 10% of buyers will actually leave a review. So that means that about at least 70 people have bought this in the past month. About 70 people have bought this template, just a digital download, in the past month. Okay, so estimated monthly sales is 70, and the price for this in Australian dollars anyway is $14.17. You might see a different currency and a different price, but for me in Australian dollars this is $14.17. And so therefore the monthly revenue, if we multiply $14.17 by 70, monthly revenue is $991. Not bad, is it? Just for a digital download. So basically it's $1,000 a month from this one listing that the person has put on Etsy. And of course, over a year, that adds up to about $12,000, which is great. And of course, this shop and you as well, you can create multiple listings. You can create 5, 10, 50 listings on Etsy if you want. Many people on Etsy make hundreds of thousands of dollars with digital downloads just like this. Okay, so step 2 will be to actually create this template in Canva. Let's go through step by step how you can do this. So let's just go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, you can literally just start typing things here into this search box. As long as you've got templates selected, start typing in YouTube intro. And Canva will show you, so let's just choose this, YouTube intro. Canva will show you all of the YouTube intro templates that it has in its database, and you can choose any of them and then you can customize them. You will notice that some of them have got this $sign on them. Okay, so this means that it uses some paid elements which you can pay sort of a couple of dollars for, and you can acquire the rights to. Some of them have got this crown on it, which just means that you need to be on a Canva Pro plan, but there are tons of free templates as well. So if you don't have any budget, don't worry, you don't need to buy anything. You can actually use these free templates. Look at this. So for example, this template over here doesn't have any dollar crown signs. This one doesn't, this one doesn't. So you can use them and then you can customize them any way you want. You can also use the filter on the left hand side over here where it says price. So just tick free and that will get rid of all of the premium templates for you, the ones with a crown. So then you can find the template that you'd like to use. Let's just use something simple in this example. For example, this template over here, I can just click on it and it will open up the editing interface where I can create further variations of these templates. So let's just click view to preview it. There's a bit of animation going on over here. So we can customize a little bit more. So we can maybe put in an image of a person. So we just go to elements and then type in woman into the search box. And you can use any of these images that Canva suggests to you. So just as placeholder, for example, we can perhaps put in this, because whoever buys this template from us, they can then obviously customize it and put in their own image onto it. Okay, so let's just put this in for now like this. And we can now add a little bit of animation to make it more exciting. So let's just click the text and then see where you've got animate. We can perhaps use this pan animation. Then we can also make this text come from the left. So let's just use pan on that as well. And the actual green box itself, we can use it to pan from the left as well. So the whole thing will pan from the left. And perhaps this image of a woman, let's animate that as well. We can perhaps use fade on it. So let's see how that looks now if we preview this. All right, so now this has become animated and it just looks a lot better. It's a lot more dynamic. So you can see how simple and easy it is to actually edit these templates on Canva. I'm not gonna bore you with too much editing. That's not what this video is about, but Canva is awesome because it gives you templates, gives you ideas, and then you can edit them. And you can always do your research on Etsy. You can take a look at the type of template that you're thinking of selling, do your research, have a look at what designs are popular, which ones are getting a lot of sales, and then create your own templates similar to the templates that are selling really well. Step 3 is to make a listing on Etsy and start actually selling your template. To do that, in the top right, you can go into Shop Manager, this icon over here, and that will open up the interface to create your first listing. That is assuming that you've never sold on Etsy before. So over here, you need to create a listing. Pretty much just follow the prompts that Etsy is going to give you. Upload the photos of your listings. So these will be just screenshots that you can take. Again, for the ideas on how to create the listing, take a look at other listings. You know, they have just provided the screenshots like this with a little bit of instruction. So you should do the same, take the screenshots and upload them as photos. You should also add a video. Videos do really, really well on Etsy, and you will notice that many listings have got videos like this. So just take a screen recording and upload it to Etsy. Under listing details, make sure that you insert the keyword that you're targeting. So have a look how other listings do this. You can see this is editable, animated, YouTube intro, outro, etc. So write a similar description. Make sure to put in your keywords: YouTube intro template, outro template, editable, Canva template, and so on. Put in all of those keywords in there. Make sure under type to choose that this is a digital download. Enter all of your description and put in again as many relevant keywords as possible. If you're in doubt and you're not sure how to write the description, have a look at other successful descriptions on Etsy and get the ideas from their description. You can see the description over here. So just rewrite a similar thing in your own words, and this will be a really good way for you to get started. Now I'm going to show you a bonus way to find more ideas for what kind of templates you can sell on Etsy, and that is by doing research on the stores. So for example, you might start out with a keyword term YouTube intro template. Then you might find a seller that has got a lot of stars and a lot of reviews. Like this shop has had 173 reviews, and this shop, for example, has had 287 reviews. So if you open this listing, then you can take a look at the stats of this shop. So it says the October creative, and you can see that they have made 3,220 sales in total on Etsy. Now, if you go to their actual profile, you will be able to see all of the items that they're currently selling. So this way you can get some ideas on what kind of things they're selling. And if you're wondering how many of them they're selling, then a great way to do this is to go back into the listing, and where it says reviews, see how you can switch between reviews for this item and reviews for this shop. If you go into reviews for this shop and then sort by newest, you can tell exactly which item each of the reviews relates for. So you can take a quick look and you can count how many reviews each of the items is getting. So there's a review for printable Valentine's, mega product, wraparound cosmetic, bottle and jar Canva product label template set. There is another editable Canva product label template. There is another bottle and jar Canva product and label template set. So it seems like this bottle and jar Canva product label template set is selling pretty well, right? There's been quite a few reviews for it already. So if we click on it just to see this item, okay, then we can very quickly see that this item has had 8 reviews. They're all pretty recent, so this is selling quite well. And once again, if there's been, in February, we can count 1, 2, 3. There's been 3 reviews in February, but that means that they've probably sold about 30 of them, okay, because 10% of buyers leave reviews. And that means that the revenue for this item has been $310. And this is just 12 label sizes. It's just 12 label templates. They're quite simple and easy to create. All right, you can take a look at exactly what they look like. They're probably even easier than this YouTube intro template that we were looking at before. So this is a pretty great product to create because it'll literally take you probably like an hour or 2 to create a template like this. And you can sell 30 of them per month, which is like really, really crazy. You can make $300 a month, so it's about $3,000 a year for spending a couple of hours setting up this listing and then listing it on Etsy. So this is a really, really great way to find more ideas for what kind of templates you can sell. So I want to show you a couple of bonus ways to make even more money from these Canva templates. And the first of those bonus ways is Fiverr.com. You can create a listing on Fiverr to sell your services because so many people on Fiverr are looking for various templated type things. So if you look, for example, for YouTube thumbnail over here, you can see that there are tons of gigs that are listed that are very, very popular where people are selling thumbnails. Look at this. I will design amazing YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours. Okay, and they're charging $28 Australian for it, so it's probably about $20 US. And you can create your own listing on Fiverr, and you can then take orders and create custom thumbnails for people using your templates in Canva. So take a look at different kinds of gigs for different sorts of templates and different sorts of images that you can create inside Canva, and see if perhaps you can make a listing on Fiverr that will provide you potentially a different revenue source, an additional revenue source where you can use Canva to make money on Fiverr. Another type of listing that you can create on Fiverr is YouTube intro. People who create YouTube intros can charge really good money on Fiverr. And let's take a quick look here. So see, for example, this gig over here, it has had over 1,000 reviews. That basically means that they've made about 10,000 sales, starting at $50 times 10,000 sales. That's about $500,000 that this gig has made. And the gig here is, I will create a unique YouTube intro and outro video. Well, guess what? You can make this kind of videos in Canva. Canva has a video editor, and if you guys want to learn how to use Canva video editor to create awesome videos just like this video over here, then check the link. I'm going to drop a link in the top right of the screen, and I'm also going to drop a link to my tutorial at the bottom in the description of this video. I recently recorded a tutorial where I show you step by step how to use Canva video editor to make videos like this. This is another way that you can boost your earnings. And if you're wondering how to create these awesome videos inside Canva, make sure to watch this video tutorial that I recently posted that will show you step by step how to create stunning looking videos of all different types in Canva. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel just below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.